Every time your computer calculates the physics of a car drifting around a corner, it's relying on a grid of numbers called a matrix. These grids operate behind the scenes of our digital lives, driving everything from 3D lighting engines to the probability calculations used in quantum mechanics. Take this 3x3 grid. Using its eigenvalues inside its own polynomial. It's a self-referential experiment, asking a mathematical structure to evaluate its own properties. This calculation reveals a deep, consistent rule that governs how these structures interact with themselves. This is the Cayley-Hamilton Theorem. It states that every square matrix perfectly satisfies its own characteristic equation. To see it work, we'll start with this 2x2 matrix and its corresponding characteristic polynomial. If we swap the standard algebraic variables for the entire matrix itself, we then process the equation through matrix multiplication. The rows and columns multiply and add together across the length of the formula. Every term cancels out perfectly. The entire calculation collapses into a zero matrix. This isn't unique to this example. Whether the grid is 2x2 or 100x100, the result is always a total collapse to zero. Because this equation equals zero, we can isolate the highest power of the matrix on one side of the equal sign. This means a complex operation, like a matrix raised to the 10th power, can be rewritten as a simple sum of much lower powers. This transforms the theorem into a computational shortcut. It allows us to calculate infinite matrix powers or complex expressions by reducing them to basic addition and subtraction. Control systems engineers use this zeroing out to isolate the identity matrix within the equation. This gives them a direct path to find a matrix inverse without having to perform grueling manual row reductions. Computer graphics programmers use the same logic to streamline repeated spatial transformations, saving the processor from having to calculate massive powers of the same matrix over and over. In quantum mechanics, physicists apply the theorem to simplify the heavy operators used to model subatomic particles. Without this shortcut, the arithmetic required to run modern physics simulations and high-end engineering would be significantly more time-consuming for our hardware. A matrix is an active mathematical structure that contains its own internal logic. They are self-consistent systems that satisfy their own strict rules, collapsing into zero exactly when the theorem predicts. But while the rules of pure mathematics are fixed, the rules of human geography are often far less predictable. This map illustrates the four-color theorem, a cartography puzzle that went completely unsolved for a century. What happens when mathematical logic is applied to a map? We'll explore that mystery in the next episode.